At 18 months old, a baby has a 50% chance of having 12 teeth, a 3% chance of having 11 teeth, a 32% chance of having 10 teeth, a 4% chance of having 9 teeth, and an 11% chance of having 8 teeth. How many teeth does an 18-month-old baby have on average? Well, we're being asked for an average, given a lot of data about the number of teeth. So the fact that we're asked about the number of teeth on average suggests we should be calculating the expected value. But to calculate expected value, we need a PDF. So we'll start with a random variable being the number of teeth an 18-month-old has. So to create the PDF, we write down the possible values for x and their probabilities. So the possible values for x are listed here: 12, 11, 10, 9, or 8. So we can put those in either order. It doesn't really matter. So since they're listed 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 in that order in the paragraph, that's the order I'll put them in the chart. And the probabilities are 50% chance of 12, so that's 0.5. 3% chance of 11, 0.03. 32% chance of 10, so 0.32. 4% chance of 9 teeth, 0.04. And 11% chance of having 8 teeth. So the expected value is the sum of the values of x times their probabilities. And remember, this means add or sum. So it's the sum of the x times p of x. So we'll take the table here and add an extra column. Take the PDF, add the column x times p of x equals x, and do the multiplication. So we have in the first row 12 times 0.5, that's 6. 11 times 0.03, that's 0.33. 10 times 0.32, 3.2. 9 times 0.04, that's 0.36. And 8 times 0.11, that's 0.88. So we need to add those now. The expected value is the sum of those numbers. So these numbers here, we add them up. We have, doing that very quickly, we have 6 plus 0.33 plus 3.2 plus 0.36 plus 0.88, and I'm getting 10.77. So on average, remember, on average, an 18-month-old will have 10.77 teeth. That's not to say any one person will have 10.77 teeth, but on average, the number of teeth in an 18-month-old will be 10.77.